Now we will define the plan. To define the plan, what we will do is we will go to transaction. We will go to enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, we will go to definition. Under definition, we'll go to logistic general. Under logistic general, we have defined copy delete check plant. Execute this one and copy delete check plant. Select this one. So here we have the copy org object. Select this and select the standard one. So I'm selecting this one standard. Any standard one you can take it, and it's always better. Most of the time you will see 1010 will be there, 1710 will be there. If you have 1710, you can select 1710 or 1010, that is fine. And our plant name I will give it as ITC, and click on continue. So it will take some time to get all the information from 1710 to ITC, and we will copy 1710 same as ITC. So once the plant is copied, what we will do is we will change the description, we will change the country details and all the information, because 1710 is the standard one. So it will have country as US and all, and we will change that to India. It is always recommended copy the standard plan and create your own plan. Then means create your own plan means make necessary changes on that plan, because these are all small settings. It is very difficult for us to do it. Click on continue. Then if you see here, the planned activity has been carried out 1710 to ITC. Now go back and click on define plant. So when I click on go to position and I will click on ITC, you will see plant 1 IS. So I will change this as plant ITC. Okay, and I will keep the name as ITC. Press enter and save and double click on it. So once we double click on it, so we will see all the information of US. So how we can change is click on address. So this is the address option. Click on it. Change this to ITC plant. Sorry, again go there and change this to ITC. Search term as ITC, and we'll give the street as Dar Street. And gives, I will keep the same number. District, I will give district as Mumbai. Postal code 45 0. I am randomly giving any number. City Mumbai. Country India. Region MH Maharashtra. Time zone, I will take it as Indian time zone. And jurisdiction, I don't need English, that is fine. Reply SAP. Okay, then whatever the email ID responsible for that plant, give that email ID here, all the details, and press enter and save it. So if you see here, the whatever the information I have entered is we can see here. So this is how we can configure the plant, save it and go back. So after the plant is created, what we will do is we will create uh, locations. So go back. For locations, what we can do is close this one, go to enterprise structure, then go to definition. Under definition, go to logistic general. Under the logistic general, define location. So if you want, you can copy the standard one, or else you can create your own. So what I will do is I will create new one. So the plant will be ITC and location will be what I can give is I can give directly Mumbai, but for our remembering purpose what I will do is, so okay, I will give Mumbai and name as ITC Mumbai and save it, and give the address details here, country India and region MH, give Dar Street 3456, any number, postal code, give the same postal code and same city details, English, and continue save. So this is how we can create the locations. So once the location is created, then we'll go to maintain storage location. So the maintain storage location we will get under, minimize this one, logistic general, and go to material management. So under material management we have maintain storage location. Go here and create, give your plant ITC. So there are the standard ones which we have copied it from the 1710 plant. If you want you can keep it, or else what we will do is we will delete this one. If you don't want, delete this one, delete all entries. For example, I'm just giving an example, we can delete like this and save, then click on new entries. Give your storage location. So I'm giving my storage location as ITC raw material. I will give it in capital, raw material storage location, and then give one more ITC. So raw material what we can do is we can give it as ITCR raw material storage location, and then give ITCF, this is for finished goods storage location, and save it. So this is how we can create a storage location. And after the storage location is created, select this one and click on address storage location and click on new entries and give the standard address was 01. So it will open here and give country IN. I'm not giving other details, MH. If you want you can give all other details, fine. For learning purpose it's okay, like giving 01 and save it, and go back, select the second one and click on address, click on new entries, give the storage location as 01 and give the country. This is a mandatory field, remaining fields also you need to maintain, but I am not maintaining, and save it. So this is how we can create the storage location for any particular plant. Now go to plant and assign that to our company code. So for that what we will do is we'll go back, save this one, go back. Now go to assignment. So go to assignment, under assignment you will have logistic general. This is the logistic general. Under logistic general we have assign plan to company code. Click on new entries, give your company code ITC, give your plant ITC, and so here it is saying that 1710 is already having it because we have copied it from some other location. So what we will do is we will go back and we will check for 1710. So it is already there, then we'll check for ITC. So if you see here 1710 company plant is already exist. So click, select this one and delete this one. So this is not required, continue and save it. Now we'll go to new entries, click our company code as ITC, then plant will be ITC. This error we will get when we copy from standard to our company code. So that is the reason we are getting. So once we get, we can delete and we can save like this. So after that we will go to enterprise structure and assign purchase organization to plant. go back now assign plan to purchase organization, so that we will get under material management. So go to material management and click on assign purchase organization to plant. So here also if you want you can check or purchase organization ITC. So we don't have it, so click on new entries and click on ITC purchase organization and assign organization to ITC. So I just used ITC because it is very easy for me to remember. If you want you can give whatever the naming you want to give, or else you will in real scenario you will get all this information from the business means for the customer whom we are developing the SAP. So after that go to the same link material management and assign the standard purchase organization to plant. Okay, then this is the step we have to do. Assign the standard purchase organization to plant. Execute this one and check your plant is there or not first. Go to position. Okay, due to some network issue it was fine. Let's go and check for your ITC. So I have ITC 17010 and change this organization to purchase org to ITC and save it. So this is how we can assign plan to purchase organization. Then we'll do one more step under logistic general, that is define attribute to material types. So save this one, go back. Now go to logistic general. Logistic general, yeah, here. So under logistic general, go to material master. Under material master, go to basic settings. Under basic settings, go to material types. Under material types, we have this many options. We will do define attribute to material types. Now here what we have to do is we have to check either we can use the either standard one. So FERT is the standard one, and these are all standard. This is for semi-finished goods material type. This is for finished goods, and ROH will be there for raw material. So here make sure that quantity and value are selected here. So go back, just select only one. First we'll check for finished goods. We will use the standard one only. Mostly most of the people use the standard one only. And go to our plant or all valuation area. So our valuation area is ITC. So quantity and value updates are there, so we don't need to select this checkbox. If it is not selected, then we have to select it. Okay, same way you can check for semi-finished goods also. Let's check for ROH. Select this one, ROH. So here go to our valuation area, ITC. So it is there. So this configuration we no need to do it. If it is this checkbox are not selected, then only we have to select that one. Now go back. Yes, click on yes, then go to basic settings. So here only what we will do is logistic general. Under logistic general, under material master, go to material master. Under material master we have a basic settings. Under basic settings, we'll go to maintain copy codes for material management. So go to position and check your company code. So once your company code is there, give the financial year and all the other details. So this is my financial year as 2021, and this is my what we can do is it is always better, we'll copy it from the standard one. Come out of this. So basically here what we have to give is we have to just give the financial year and the month which is open. So here it is the month of September, so we'll give the September month. So but for us, we have taken the calendar month, so based upon that calendar month we have to take our financial year. So this is my financial year 2021. Go back, SAP reference IMG. Go to logistic general. Under logistic general, go to material management. Under material management, go to basic settings. Under basic settings, go to maintain company codes and material management. Go to position here and give the company code as ITC, or else what we can do is we will copy it from the standard one. 1710 is the standard one, and copy this one and try to do the same configuration for our company code also. So here we have 2010-21 and financial year as 9. Period open is 9. This is for calendar year. Let me check or what is our calendar year. So we'll go to underscore LAD. Go to /NSPRO. Click on reference IMG. Go to financial accounting. Under financial accounting, financial ledger and global setting. Click on ledgers. Under ledgers, click on fiscal year and posting periods, and here assign company code to fiscal year variant. So what is the variant we have selected? Let's check that one. ITC. So for ITC we have a IT, and we have taken April to March posting period. So from if I calculate from April, so April, now it is a September, April, May, June, July, August, September. So this is my sixth period. So what we will do is we will configure this information in this step. So go back, and for ITC, yeah, go here, position, click on position, go to ITC, company code, press enter, click here year as 2021, and this is my sixth period. Okay, so now it is okay. Then we have to check other configurations also. So we have to check ABP. Click on ABP for our company code also. Because these are all related configuration, we are not focusing. We are mostly interested in FIMM integration. Because of that, we need to do all this configuration. Click on save. This is done. So financial year is a finance means we have opened the posting periods for this particular company. Now go to material management. Basic setting, minimize this one, minimize this, and now we'll go to material management. Yeah, go to material management. Under material management, go to logistic invoice verification. Under logistic invoice verification, go to incoming invoice. Under incoming invoice, maintain default value for tax codes. Incoming invoice. Under this, maintain default value for tax codes. Execute this one. Try to check for your company code. If it's there, fine, or else click on new entry or go back. You can copy the standard one. So we'll copy standard one and give your company code details here. Company code ITC. Okay, press enter, or else if ITC is not there, tax code is not there, we'll select any standard tax code M0, default domestic tax code, that is fine. Here also it is not there, we'll select the same M0 and save it. Any tax code is fine. In real project, we will get the tax codes from the FI team, so we'll create that one, not an issue. Now we'll go to another step, that is material management. Save this one, go back, minimize this one, minimize this one. So under material management, go to logistic invoice verification. Logistic invoice verification, go here, logistic invoice verification. Under that, go to incoming invoice again. Under incoming invoice, then we have another step, maintain default value for tax codes, and this is done. Tax code is done. Okay, let me go to position ITC, whether it is copied properly. Yes, so this is done. Then we'll go to material management and logistic invoice verification. Under that, we have one more step. So this is done. One more step, go back. Here we have to do set check for duplication invoices. Okay, so make sure that all three checkboxes are selected. First, go to this. Our company code is not there. What we can do is we can copy it from the standard one. Copy as and change it to ITC. Company code as ITC and press enter and save it. So once the duplication checkbox is done, now we'll go to logistic invoice verification. Go back, go back. Logistic invoice verification. Under logistic invoice verification, go to invoice block. Under invoice block, go to set tolerance limit. So here, check for our company code once. So it's there. Our company code is there. ITC VP ST. So we don't see all of them. What we can do is we will copy the rest. VP is only VP is created, rest all are not created. So what we can do is we'll copy it from standard just ignore the VP because it's already created. Copy this ST, copy as, then just change the company code as ITC, change ITC everywhere, ITC, 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 change our company code ITC, ITC. Okay, then click on save. So we have copied the standard one. So once this is done, we'll now go to material management again. Go back, go back, and here minimize this one. Go to material management. Under material management, go to logistic invoice verification. Under logistic invoice verification, go to define automatic status change. So under logistic invoice verification, now we have the option of invoice verification in the background. So invoice verification under background, here you have a define automatic status change. Execute this one and select the checkbox. So ITC, select this one. So here we have to select this checkbox and save it. Now go to material management again. We'll go to material management again. Under material management, valuation and account assignment, go to valuation and account assignment. Under this, go to account determination. Under account determination, go to group tolerance, this one. Under this one, we have to go to account determination without wizard. Under that, we have to click on group together the valuation areas. Execute this one and give the company code. For the valuation area company code combination, give our valuation group. So go to company code valuation area ITC and we'll group the valuation group as ITC and save it. Okay, then this is done. Then go to material master again. Under material master, we'll go to valuation and account assignment. Minimize all this. Valuation and account assignment. Go here. Under this, we have account determination. Yeah, this one, account determination. Under account determination, wizard areas, and here we have a define valuation classes. So account category reference, go here and check. These are all the standard categories we have, and we are going to use 009 for finished goods and 00 either 1 or 2, anyone. So we will use for raw material, we will use 001 and 009 for finished goods. Go back and valuation class, go here. What we can do is click on position and click on ITC. So it's not there. What we will do is we will copy this one, copy as, and we'll keep it as ITC, and here we will also keep it as ITC. So here it is saying that it is already exists. Remove this one, press enter, select this one, delete and save it. So we have ITC is there for 001 raw material, and as well as it is showing us for finished goods, it's already there. So ITC is there for 001. Let's click on new entry, click on ITC, and area S I will give it as 009, an already existing entry. Let's see why it is showing like this. Skip, go back. I have not created, still it is showing. Then we have to check where exactly the issue is. Okay, sorry, valuation class. I think I have created only one valuation class. That is the reason it is showing only once, but it's my mistake. It's my mistake completely. So delete this one. Let me explain you. So there are two valuation class we are going to create, right? So 009 is for raw material and 009 is, sorry, 001 is for raw material